Hello there. So you want to know how you can simply go ahead and order groceries through Blinkit? This is going to be the only video that you'll ever need to watch on the internet. So let's just get straight into the video. First things first, simply go ahead and search for Blinkit on any browser that you want to and go ahead and click on the first link. Once you've done that, on the top left, go ahead and add your location. You can also go ahead and click on detect my location, or you could just search for your location right over here. So for example, there is my location, and now all you need to do in order for you to go ahead and order is, for example, let's say I want some snacks, right? So I'm gonna go ahead and add a couple of snacks to my cart. So for example, I want the banana chips, I want the spicy Korean chips, and then I want, for example, some cheese balls, right? And yeah, that is it. I can simply go ahead into the items and I can simply go ahead and click on checkout right over here. I'm not logged in at the moment, however, you need to make sure you're logged in. All you need to do is simply go ahead and click on checkout, and then you can either pay it directly, or you can also do card. So that is about it. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, hit that like button and I'll see you on the next one.